I'm Gabriele Miceli, owner of ETS, an Italian civil engineering company that offers infrastructural and architectural design services, BIM design, surveying and diagnostic service, and geological and geotechnical study. ETS is in the railway and road market, and all the services are focused on design and maintenance of infrastructure. ETS is owner of Arkita and Simur. Arkita is a multidimensional mobile mapping system solution consisting of linked and integrated equipment on a bimodal vehicle to obtain a large set of different information of infrastructure, geometry, status and structural condition in only one single passage. At the INTERGEO fair, ETS presents a new product, Simur, a modular and integrated system for remote real-time monitoring of structure, bridge, tunnels. Through Simur, we can improve the planning of maintenance works on the line and activate these maintenance works quicker. So, if you want to test our product and see what I said, you can find us in the Hall 3, both E3075. Thank you.